You ever been watching TV and one of those infomercials come on and you see that product that you just can't live without? So you order one, but you get two for the price of one. And then that day that it comes in the mail, you open the box and you take it out and you try to use it just like it worked on TV, but as hard as you try, it just doesn't work. And we're disappointed with that because it didn't meet our expectation. Marriage is often the same way, in that I see so many couples stand in front of God and their friends and family, and they repeat those vows, and they really focus on the words for richer, for healthier, and for better. And it doesn't take long in a marriage before life begins to happen and poorer comes along, and so does sickness, and so does the worst. And during that time we get often disappointed because marriage isn't what we thought it would be nor hoped it would be, and we find ourselves having trouble in paradise. I really believe that Scripture holds the key to being able to handle those days when we trouble in paradise. When we look at Ephesians 5 verse 21, he tells us to submit one to another out of reverence for Christ. And when we do that, it helps us to walk on the same page. It helps us to walk in step with each other. That's where we find paradise in a marriage. I truly believe that when we focus on that, we can restore paradise in marriage. Look forward to being with you guys as we talk about trouble in paradise, how to handle serious setbacks.